Okay, good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Limits. Limits 1 to 10 problem. In exercise, first exercise, 1 to 10 problems are completed. Now we are going to the next problem. Next, problem number 12. Limit x tends to minus 2. Limit x tends to minus 2. 1 by x plus 1 by 2. 1 by x plus 1 by 2 by x plus 2. Okay. Listen carefully. Once again I will recall. First step 1, what is the step 1? Direct apply the x is equal to minus 2 in the given function. Directly, this is called x approach to 2, x tends to 2 or nearly x is equal to 2. Okay. This x is equal to minus 2 substitute in the given function directly for the first step. After substitution, we get the answer. Which type of answer will get? 0 by 0 in terminal forms. We get in terminal forms 0 by 0, infinity by infinity. This is in terminal forms 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, 0 power 0, infinity power infinity, infinity minus infinity, infinity power 0. This type of values we get this type of value. Go to the step 2. What is the next step 2? Formula. This given problem is any type of formula. Is any type of formula? Second one. So there is no any type of formula means go to the third step. What is the third steps? Simplification. Simplification. So first step 1, minus 2, 1 by minus 2 plus 1 by 2, 0, 0 by 0. This is in terminal form. So this is also there is no formula, x power n minus a power n sin x. Sin x means sin x by x. Sin x, this is, it comes sin x. This is a type of sin x something means sin x by x. The given function in terms of tan x means maybe tan x by x. Okay. So this is any type of function. So first of all, first step failed and second step also failed. Go to the third step. What is third step? Simplification. Limit x tends to minus 2. LCM. What is LCM? 2 plus x by 2x. 2 plus x by 2x by x plus 2. So limit x tends to minus 2, 2 plus x by 2x. So this is x plus, this is numerator. Denominator is x plus 2. X plus 2 means x plus 2 by 1. X plus 2 by 1 means go to the reverse. 1 by x plus 2. This is called both a cancel. So limit x tends to minus 2, 1 by 2x. Limit x tends to minus 2, so that is equal to 1 by 2 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 1 by 4. Answer is minus 1 by 4. Okay, next 13th problem. Limit x tends to 0 sin ax by bx. Sin ax by bx. So limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x into 1 by b. Into 1 by b. So limit of constant. Limit x tends to any limit of constant. Limit of constant is equal to constant. Limit of 1, 1a, limit of 2, 2, limit of 100, limit of constant. Constant means any a, b, c, both, anyone without variable. Limit x tends to 0 means here what is the variable? X is a variable. Limit x tends to a, x tends to 1. Okay, x tends to means x is a variable, remaining anyone is a constant. So 1 by b. So 1 by b separate from the limit. So limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x. What is the formula? This x. Sin mx by x, limit x tends to 0. What is the formula? Trigonometric limits of a trigonometric function. Limit sin mx by x is equal to m. This is the formula. So here m is what? M is equal to what? A into a. What is the answer? A by b. Or R. This is the direct method or some simplification method. So limit x tends to 0 sin ax by bx into ax by ax, divide and multiply ax. So divide and multiply ax. So limit x tends to 0 sin ax by ax, sin ax into ax by bx, exx cancel. So this is the formula. Which formula? Sin x by x, limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0 means the x is equal to 0 means ax also 0. Sin x, this taken x, sin x by x. Okay, sin x by x. Here x is equal to what? Ax. Sin x by x is equal to 1. No. So a by b, that is equal to a by b is a constant. Limit x tends to 0. X tends to 0 means ax tends to 0 also. Sin ax by ax. So that is equal to a by b into 1. No. So answer is a by b. So x tends to 0, ax tends to also 0 because x is equal to 0, x tends to means 0, x tends to 0 or ax tends to also 0. So sin x by x, limit x tends to 0, here x is equal to what? Ax, here x is equal to ax. So limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. So formula 1. No. This one, this second one. This is the first method. This is the first method. Second method. Okay. You can choose any one. Next one. Okay, clear? 13th problem. 13th problem have two types. Next 14th problem. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0 sin ax by sin bx, sin ax by sin bx. So limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x by sin bx by x, totally limit x tends to 0. X divide and multiply, the both x's are cancelled because this is 1 by x, 1 by x, 1 by x by 1 by x equal to cancel, 1 by x by 1 by x cancel. So divide and multiply. Okay, or okay, so separate the limits. Limit x tends to 0 sin ax by x by limit x tends to 0 sin bx by x by the properties of limits or algebraic of limits. So limit f of x by g of x is equal to what? Limit f of x by limit g of x. So sin ax by x is equal to what? A. Sin bx by equal to b. What is the formula? Limit x tends to 0 sin mx by x is equal to m. This is the formula. Sin mx by x, where m is a. Sin mx by x, here m is equal to b. So a by b. Sin which formula? Sin mx by x. Okay. Next 14th one after 15th. Limit x tends to 5. 15th problem. Limit x tends to 5 sin pi minus x by pi into pi minus x. Pi into pi minus x. So x tends to pi. X tends to pi. X tends to pi is nothing but x is equal to pi, for example. X tends to pi means x is equal to pi. X is equal to pi means pi is equal to x and pi tends to x. Pi tends to x. So pi is equal to x. So pi minus x tends to 0. X tends to pi. Pi tends to x, both are same because x is equal to pi or pi is equal to x, both are same. And x is equal to pi means x minus pi equal to 0. Pi minus x is equal to 0. Pi minus x tends to 0. This one. That tends to the arrow is nothing but tends to or approach to or equal to, meaning equal to. So x tends to pi means pi tends to x, pi minus x tends to 0. X is equal to pi is equal to x. So pi minus x is equal to 0. So same. Limit pi minus x. E 1 by pi common. This is 1 by pi. 1 by pi into limit x tends to pi means pi minus x tends to 0. 1 by pi constant to pi is always constant. So pi is always constant. Limit pi x tends to pi means pi minus x tends to 0. Sin pi minus x by pi minus x. Pi minus x by pi minus x. Okay. This is the formula 1 by pi into 1. That is equal to 1 by pi because limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. Here x is equal to what? This is totally called pi minus x. Okay. So this is not understand. So don't understand this one. So ORR. Next one, limit x tends to pi sin pi minus x by pi into pi minus x. Second method. Next method. For example, formula అనేది sin x by x is equal to not only 1, only sin x by x ఏ 1 అలా. ఓకేనా? x instead of any one. Limit x tends to, here x is equal to what? Pi minus x. Limit x tends to 0 sin, this is totally you consider x. Sin x by x. Sin x by x. For example, next one, second method, ORR, pi minus x. Put pi minus x is equal to y. Pi minus x is equal to y. So x tends to pi, the same with x tends to pi is equal to x minus pi tends to x. So pi minus x tends to 0. So limit x tends to pi minus limit y tends to 0, pi minus x is equal to y, taken pi minus x is equal to y. So 1 by pi common, 1 by pi common, limit x tends to pi, x tends to pi means pi tends to x. Pi tends to x means pi minus x tends to 0. Okay, put pi minus x is equal to y. So x tends to pi is nothing but pi tends to x. X is a is equal to b is equal to a minus b equal to 0. Okay, pi minus x tends to 0. So listen carefully. 1 by pi constant, 1 by pi into limit y tends to 0. What is pi minus x? Pi minus x is equal to y. So sin y by y. Sin y by y. So that is equal to 1 by pi into sin x by x. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. Limit y tends to 0, sin by y by equal to 1. So 1. So that is equal to 1 by 1. So there is no difficult ಏನilla. Equal sin ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋ, for example sin. ಈ sin of function by function both are same means that value 1. Any function x, y, pi minus x, here ax, bx, mx, both are not same means variable same means answer is coefficient is answer. So anyone same. For example tan pi minus x by pi minus x is equal to 1. Because tan of function same, denominator also same means that value 1 fix. Sin x by x, sin y by y, sin a by a. Okay, sin pi minus x by pi minus x, sin pi minus x by pi minus x, both are same. So value 1. This is 1 by pi. Next one, 16th one. Okay, clear? Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0 cos x by pi minus x. Limit x tends to 0 cos x by 1. Cos 0 1. Direct apply. So that is equal to cos 0 by pi minus 0. That equal cos 0 sin 0 0. Cos 0 1. So value 1 by pi. Cos 0 1. Pi minus 0 pi. This is 17th. 16th one. 17th one. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Cos 2x minus 1 by cos 2x minus 1 by cos x minus 1. Cos x minus 1. Apply the x is equal to 0. Cos 2 into 0, cos 0. Cos 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 by 0 in terminal form. So go to the step 2. What is the step 2? Formula. There is no formula. Go to the next step. Simplification. So limit x tends to 0 minus common. 1 minus cos 2x by here also minus common 1 minus cos x. E minus minus cancel. Limit x tends to 0. In the trigonometric functions, 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. 2 cos square x. So 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. 2 cancel. What is the formula? 1 minus cos 2x is equal formula. Okay, any doubt means 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square. 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. So this is also 2 sin square. 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. 1 minus cos x is equal to half angle 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2. This is the trigonometry, very important formulas, compound angle formulas. So 2 sin square x, this one. So limit, continue, limit x tends to 0, 2 cancel. 2 cancel means, and another formula, sin 2x is equal to, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So here sin x, sin square x. So continue, that is equal limit x tends to 0, sin square x. Sin square x is nothing but sin x whole square by sin square x by 2. So again sin square x by 2. So limit x tends to 0. What is the sin x formula here? Sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 whole square by sin square x by 2. So simplification, limit x tends to 0, 2 square 4 sin x by 2 whole square, sin square x by 2 cos x by 2 whole square, cos square x by 2 by sin square x by 2. The sin square x by 2, sin square x by 2 cancel. Next one, limit 4 constant to separate from the limit. Limit x tends to 0, only cos square x by 2 means cos x by 2 whole square. So 4 into only remaining 4 common from the limit, only cos square x by 2. Cos square x by 2 is equal to cos x by 2 whole square. So limit x tends to 0, cos 0 by 2 whole square. Cos 0 by 2 is equal, 0 by 2 is equal 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1 square. So that is equal to, value is equal to 4. Cos 0, 1. Cos 0 degrees, sin 0 degrees 0, cos 0 degrees 1. So answer is 1. Next. Next to 18th one, limit x tends to 0, ax plus x cos x, ax plus x cos x by b sin x, ax plus x cos x by bx. So this is separate from the limit. Limit x tends to 0, ax by b sin x, ax by b sin x plus, okay, clear? Limit x tends to 0, ax plus x cos x, separate, ax by b sin x, ax by b sin x plus x cos x by b sin x, x cos x by b sin x. So a by b, limit x tends to 0, ax by b sin x plus limit x tends to 0, x cos x by b sin x. Separate limits. Okay. Next, limit x tends to 0, a by b into x by sin x. So here a by b constant, a by b constant, a by b into limit x tends to 0, 1 by sin x by x. Limit x tends to 0, a by b constant to separate to limit x by sin x means what? 1 by sin x by x, because sin x by x is equal to 1. So a plus 1 by b constant x into limit x tends to 0, x into cos x by sin x is equal to cot x. So a by b constant 1 by limit x tends to 0 sin x by x plus 1 by b into limit x tends to 0 x into cot x. So a by b into 1 sin x by x value 1 by 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 by b into 0 tan 0 0 cot 0 is equal to infinity cot 0. So 0 into anything, 0 into infinity is equal to 0. So the value is cot x is equal to 0. So the value is, total value is a by b. Total value is a by b. One by b into limit x tends to 0 x by tan x, okay, plus a by b plus 1 by b into 1 by limit x tends to 0 tan x by x. X by tan x is equal to 1 by tan x by x. X by tan x is equal to 1 by tan x by x. Okay. So here once again, limit x tends to 0 ax plus limit x tends to 0 ax, first divide ax plus b sin x by ax by b sin x plus x cos x by b sin x. So limit x tends to 0 ax by b sin x plus limit x tends to 0 cos x by sin x, separate limits, two limits, separate limits. Next a by b constant, limit x tends to 0, 1 by this x by sin x go to the change into sin x by x plus 1 by b into constant x into cos x by sin x is equal to cot x. Next a by b constant 1 by this limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, because sin x by x is also sin x by x is equal to 1 and tan x by x is equal to 1 plus 1 by b into cot x is equal to x by tan x. So a by b into 1 by 1 by 1 okay, 1 by 1 a by b into 1 by 1 plus 1 by b into limit x tends to 0 tan x by x. Limit x tends to 0 tan x by x means a by b into 1 by 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 by b into 1 by 1. So a by b plus 1 by b is equal to a plus 1 by b is equal to a plus 1 by b. So up to 18 problems. Tomorrow I will continue the next problem. So 18th have any doubt means tomorrow I will explain once again 18th problem, only 18th problem. Okay, 18th problem I will explain once again. So thank you.